Hi guys, in front of this iPad 9th generation, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So once you want to activate Touch ID, just open the settings, then find and select Touch ID and passcode. Provide your current passcode. If you don't have one yet, you will have to create it, as it will be kind of backup to your fingerprint, to your Touch ID. So now mark iPad unlock, and let's add your fingerprint. So all you have to do is to keep tapping. Okay, one more time. Just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And tap on continue. You just need to adjust your grip. Preferably pick different finger. Okay, so it has been done, and as you can see now, you can unlock your device. Not this one. Here. Let me just lock it. You can unlock it with this fingerprint only. So this is it. Obviously, you can also use the backup passcode if you want. So just slide and provide the passcode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.